So people ask us all the time, can't we just use the existing 6 mil vapor barrier that is in the crawl space? Can't we use that for a radon mitigation system? And we always say no, and the reason is because this 6 mil vapor barrier is going to degrade over time. So we're deep in a crawl space right now. This is a home that had an existing liner or vapor barrier on the ground, and you can see over the years this liner has just become super brittle. It just breaks down really, really easily. And you can see this is just no traffic, nothing happening back here. There's really no point to be over here. And the liner, or the vapor barrier, has just degraded over time, just naturally just decomposed, dried out, and become very, very brittle. And so again, if we are creating a radon mitigation system in your crawl space, the whole idea behind the vapor barrier or the liner is to create a floor that we can pull a vacuum against. And so if we're gonna do that, we don't want this to happen. We don't want this to break down over time. So we want to install a heavy liner that's fiber reinforced, that has virgin ethylene plastic in it. And we want to use that so it lasts a really long time for our customers and we don't have this problem. But again, this is the problem with a kind of a 6 mil vapor barrier that you might get at Home Depot, is just really, really, really brittle.